guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine, and today I'm gonna be doing my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. And yeah, let's see like what I got. I mean, I already like picked into it and stuff like that, but I mean, this month is like the natural natural or something like that. And a ver que, okay, so, okay, disclaimer, guys. I have my like face makeup on because I went to work and stuff like that, but I didn't do like my eyeshadow or anything because like I wanted to try it out on this, and then I remember that there's a face mask. So what I'm thinking of doing, I'm just gonna be trying it on over the whole month, the rest of the month, and see if I like it, and I'll put it on my favorites video because I am gonna be doing a favorites video in each month, so you guys can get to know more new what's it called, products and like stuff like that I've been using, that I've been loving and stuff like that. But that's just for the next video that I'm gonna be doing. But today I'm just gonna be showing you guys my Boxycharm and probably using them, and seeing if I like them, and giving you guys a review and stuff, telling you guys how much it cost us, and why I like Boxycharm, you know. Okay, so, and by the way, I'm gonna be linking down below my link to Boxycharm, and yeah, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so for the first thing that I received them in the Boxycharm this month, it's this palette, the Butter Blended palette, and I believe that's the name of the palette. And I'm gonna cover the little mirror so you guys can see. I started getting Boxycharm in February, so it's been quite month, like how do I say, it's been a while now since I've been receiving Boxycharm. Excuse me. But these colors are so pretty. Like, I don't know about the little like green one right here though. Like, I don't know what to use it, like I don't know, like literally, like, because I never do like what's it called, looks with like greens, because I don't know what to wear with, you know. So yeah. And by the way, I'm recording with my iPhone, I know, guys. Oh, okay. And for the, I totally forgot, for the oh, I got this like little thing, and then I also got like this little coupon for a facial for Ulta. It's really nice. Look, it's like this little coupon thing. That's nice. The palette was, this one was $32. So start doing your countdown. Okay. The next thing, we got some Luxie brushes, and guys, I've been using Luxie brushes for a good while already. Okay, so we got these beautiful little 3-piece little brushes. They look like this, and this one is, oh shit, this one is the Luxie 250 brush, large eye blending brush. It's this one. Let's see if you guys can see it right there. And then it's like this little blending brush. It looks cute. It's cute. It's cute. Whatever. I like it. And then we got this Luxie 246 brush. It's precision crease. So I'm guessing it's like to cut your crease. It's like this little brush. It's cute. And then we got this Luxie 510 foundation brush. As you guys can see, it's a little normal. So for the 3-piece brush set, this was $30. So it's already 32 plus 30, girl. So damn, it's already $62. Okay, so for the next thing I got was this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Saturn right here. Look, you guys can see. It's so cute. Like, it's really cute. I have from my previous box, I got this one that was Monaco or something like that. They're so cute, like so cute. And then the next thing I believe in my bag is this Appeal gel liner in the color Deep Taupe. It's this one. Yeah, let's open it up and see what's up. Okay, so ooh, she's a pretty little hoe. Love it. I'm gonna be swatching it like that. Okay. Ooh, bitch, she is creamy. I don't have any gel liners like this, and especially in brown. I never use any, but I'm gonna have to try it out and see what's up with that one. Okay, so for the oh bitch, I forgot to tell you guys the price for the Ofra lipstick. Okay, so for the Ofra lipstick, it was $20, and the gel liner, it was $21, and for the last thing on my Boxycharm, it was this Elmis Superfood Betel Veggie mask, the mask that I was telling you guys. Yeah, let me smell it. The cap would fall. Okay, let me smell it, guys. Comes like in this little thing right here. I don't know, it smells like, let's take the shit off. It smells like dead ass. It smells like Vaporu. Like, this shit throws me back to like when, so this throws me back to when my mom used to like put Vaporu all over our fucking chest. Like, if you're Mexican, you know your mom did this shit to you, but she would put Vaporu up on your fucking your chest, on fucking, if you had a runny nose, bitch, you had it like up all over your nose as fuck, and then on your like your patas, like, I don't know, bitch, that shit was fucking funny. But yeah, this shit smells like Vaporu. But yeah, okay, so how I told you guys, I'm gonna be using it in my, I'm gonna be using it during my whole my whole month, the rest of the month, and I'll be letting you guys know what's up on my favorites video, like monthly favorites video. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay, and so for the price on that, it was $35. Okay guys, so I totaled up everything and I get the total of $138 that I saved. Like, bitch, if I would have gone to, I don't know, Ulta, Sephora, or anything, bitch, I would have had to pay $138. And bitch, I only got it for $21 with Boxycharm. And bitch, like, Boxycharm comes like packaged really good. Like, it has like these little like things que your makeup will not become damaged at all. Like, I've been, how do I say it, I've been with Boxycharm since, I subscribed to Boxycharm since February of this year, 2019, and dead ass, like my brush collection, my lipstick collection. Like if you want to like start collecting and grow as a like your makeup as a collect, like you want your makeup to start growing, bitch, like every month you get a palette either for your eyes or for your like face, like every month. Like that's why like I love Boxycharm. And I tell my friends, you know, like, oh, it's a good like investment that you can save, like to get Boxycharm, because dead ass you're getting a lipstick, you're getting mask, you're getting either brushes or like eyeliner stuff like for your eyes, like, or like eyeshadows, or like eyeshadow palettes, or for your face palettes, you know, like it's a good investment, I think. And for only $21, like that's fucking cheap. Like I love Boxycharm, bitch. Best fucking deal that I've ever done. I even took down, like, I unsubscribed from Ipsy because I was like, bitch, I'm getting travel size shit on my Ipsy. Like, no. Like, no. So I canceled them, and now I'm with Boxycharm. And I have thought like going to upgrading my subscription to the is it the Boxylux? Yeah, Boxylux one, but I don't know. I have to save my coin first for it, and like I've seen reviews and stuff, and bitch, you get like a lot of good stuff, pero like I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for that and then just keep doing Boxycharm, because why not? We're gonna get ready to do thumbnail. And I know it got dark because it's getting dark and I'm obviously in front of my window just doing natural lighting. And yeah, so bitch, let's do a fucking thumbnail or whatever up in this bitch. I'm gonna be doing every month now, like as a review, so you guys can see what I got from my Boxycharm and what I like, if I like them or not, and stuff like that. But so yeah, guys, so like, subscribe, comment, share, all that jazz, and see you guys on the next one.